April 6th. This is what my land looks like in late winter, early spring. This is a spring. How neat is that? That's pretty neat. How neat is that? That's pretty neat. How neat is that? This is a birch tree. This is a yellow birch. This is also a yellow birch tree. But the thing with yellow birch is when they get older, they also get bigger. How neat is that? You can make tea out of that. Carpenter ants made that. Fungi. That's pretty neat. This is a cedar tree. You can tell that it's a cedar tree because of the way that it is. Cedar. Yellow birch, eastern white cedar, black spruce. How neat is that? Dan! Dan! He doesn't hear me. Dan! Dad! You got a lot of different wild forest animal creatures around here, like porcupine, raccoons, rabbits, deer, bear, squirrels. Today I found some moose spores. I think he's still around. Let me see if I can try to call him out. Here, moose, 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 moose. Here, moose, moose, moose. Come here, moose, moose, moose. Moose, moose. I don't know if he's still around. Here, moose, moose. Is that?